Welcome back to Bostin British Fittle, where Maggie and I aim to bring you as many varieties of different British foods as we possibly can. Today we are doing another English pudding sensation that's been around for over 200 years nearly. We are doing Bird's custard powder. This custard powder is mixed with sugar and milk to create this English custard sensation. In 1837, a chemist by the name of Alfred Bird tried to create something for his wife who was allergic to eggs. She was a fan of custard, but being allergic to eggs, which custard contained, was difficult. So he, as a chemist, came up with this powder. And then, seeing how successful it was, in 1844, he established the Bird's Company in Birmingham, in England. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 pint of milk, 2 heaped tablespoons of Bird's custard powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of caster sugar. Okay, so we're going to grab ourselves a bowl. Into that, I'm going to put custard powder and grab a spoon. There we go. Then sugar. So we don't need any extra milk to do this. So you take a couple of tablespoons, you add that there. Okay. As for the rest of the milk, it will go into a saucepan. And we're going to put that onto a low heat. Yeah, I got the wrong one. So, nice low heat. We do not want the milk to boil. Whilst that's doing, I'm going to mix this round until we get a nice paste. So it looks like we need a couple. Just keep adding to it with the milk. You just want it as a little bit of a paste. I'll put that to one side and we'll need that later. Hopefully not, hopefully that's enough. You want it as a paste. No, it's quite firm. The sugar and powder seems to have mixed well, and the rest of it to mix well. There we go. Maybe a touch more, tiny bit more, not too much. Don't want that in there. Where's that come from? There we go, don't want that in there. There we go. Should be enough. You can see, got a bit of a, that's better. It's not as thick. It is going, got a nice paste going. That's it, that's what we want. Okay. So now, get this spatula out. And we're going to add this to to the milk. In fact, I'm going to move the milk down here because it's easier. Come on, produce a flame, you know you want to. There we go. Low. There we go. That one off. Well, I can turn the heat up a bit now because I'm here. Because you don't want the milk to stick to the side. You've got to keep stirring it. So, in with the paste. Now, the trick is to keep stirring. I don't know if you can see already, but we've got nice yellowness already happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep stirring until we get the nice custard texture that we're after, both in colour and feel. Okay, we're 5 minutes into stirring already. I can see a good thickness starting to happen on my custard, which is great. This is the sort of thing we want. It's looking thicker as well, really coming together all those ingredients. As you can see, the steam coming up, but it's not boiling, which is what I wanted. Oh, look at that. That's proper custard, that is. Now, obviously, if you wanted it thicker or sweeter, you add more custard powder, more sugar. Obviously, less of the ingredients if you wanted it thinner. I am very happy with this consistency, and that is how to make Bird's custard powder. Hi guys, before we go any further, please don't forget to follow, like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updates on all the other British foods I'm going to try. And if you can think of any other British foods that I might like to try, go on to my Blue Sky account, bostinbrickfittle.bluesky.social. And don't forget to also check out my Instagram page for all the British foods that I'll have tried, and you can see all the images on there. All right, thanks very much and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, we're going to give this custard a try. There's a nice film on top, not too bad though. Let's mix that in. Okay. Oh, we've got some drips. Excuse me. Smooth, warm, not clumpy. That's nice. Just the right amount of sweetness as well, which is good. So it's not overbearing in one department or the other. So the ingredients were pretty good. So let's try again. Oh yeah, that's really nice and messy. But it's custard, so what do you expect? Well, what does the pupper think? What does the pupper think? So I've got some custard here. I've let it cool so the pupper can try it. What do we think, pups? Oh, the tongue's going before she even got there. Look at that. nice furrow already going there. That's nice, isn't it, Pop? Good custard. Well, as we can see, it's a winner. I think I'm going to let her enjoy the rest.